To perform the Snatch Grip Deadlift, stand next to your barbell and bring it really close to your shins as you get a wide grip on the bar. Hinge the hips back, bend the knees, prepare your lats, and stand up strong, keeping your glutes and hamstrings engaged. Come back down to the floor, following your shins, and come up nice and strong. As you come up, you want to exhale against the movement, keeping your core strong and powerful. As you come down, you want to inhale, preparing for the next repetition. Keep your lats locked down and your grip strong. Repeat with good form through your programmed repetitions. The Snatch Grip Deadlift is an advanced exercise that teaches you how to use your lats and your glutes at the same time in preparation for more explosive Olympic lifts. We've got a barbell and gravity. Let's dive into it. The Snatch Grip Deadlift is a little different from the conventional deadlift in that Katie's gonna grip with a really wide grip here. So as she hinges down and bends her knees, she's finding her wide snatch grip, and she's gonna lock her lats down and prepare for the lift. As she comes up, she's gonna drive through her full foot, engaging her posterior chain, glutes and hamstrings. Excellent job. And she's gonna keep her lats very strong and very tight because she needs to be ready to transfer that power to her upper body. She's doing a great job keeping the bar close and not leaning too far forward while keeping her back nice and straight. Excellent job, Katie.